like competition.
Okay guys, we're here in Old Town. We're actually at a little restaurant. This gentleman makes his own hot sauces, homemade. I've already tried it. It's extremely hot. It drew tears to my eyes and made my nose water. The Mysterious Ones is actually getting ready to try some of it on a mango dum dum lollipop.
It has scorpion peppers. Scorpion peppers. Yeah.
Hey, Mama.
Hi, Georgie.
How are you, Mama?
Good, how are you?
Like your shoes?
Alright, guys. I'm gonna try this, okay? Needless to say, I have already tasted it with my tongue, and it is spicy, okay? So,
Let me show them that it's actually on there.
look,
This is what it
this
looks
is the
like.
sauce, okay? It is all over. All over.
Alright, let's go.
So,
I remember you when you were a Sonic.
oh man, I got an audience now.
Come on.
This is gonna be bad.
That's Anthony.
No.
Look, here we
That's
go.
my best friend.
I'm Antonio.
No, you're not.
How's your brother doing?
Good. He's really good, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Gia?
Yes.
I sang a bunch of birthday songs.
He's going back for more. Is it burning yet? The Mysterious One's eyes are watering. There it goes.
Alright. You okay?
Look, guys. Look, I don't care where.
Happy birthday.
Holy shit. Look, I don't care where y'all been. Y'all want to try hot sauce, y'all come here. Actually, you know what? You know what? I gotta admit,
It's a very mellow, laid-back song.
I gotta admit with y'all,
I gotta hurry up and
this,
snack.
the mango
Copyright.
actually deletes the flavor.
Alright guys.
I'll be back with y'all.
Alright guys. Talk to you later. There goes Ricky's. Oh my god. There's your 67. Sorry about everybody walking through the video, guys. That's a kit car. And here we go with the middle punch buggy. Oh my god. Nice. Got the 69 Camaro coming, guys. Custom 10, custom Chevy C10. Dodge. Uh-oh. Can you guess what that is? Toyota Celica GT. I used to have one just like that one, but it was blue. And there's my Chevelle, my baby. It doesn't matter, it's still pretty. Oh my God. That's my Malibu. Monte Carlo. Oh my God. That's the Mercury. Nice. Another Dodge. Thunderbird. Another Thunderbird. I think the orange one's prettier. And a Combi. Old GTO convertible. That thing's like sitting up there. Oh, look at the motor in there. That's a nice ass blower. Oh, look at the little
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.